Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make magnesium metal. We will explore the fascinating process of extracting this versatile element. Magnesium is a silvery white, lightweight metal known for its strength and low density. It is crucial in various industries, from aerospace to automotive. Understanding its production helps appreciate its value and the science behind material creation. To begin, you will need anhydrous magnesium chloride, which is magnesium chloride with all water removed. This is critical because water reacts violently with molten magnesium. We also need a molten salt electrolyte, typically a mixture of magnesium chloride with other salts like sodium chloride or calcium chloride. These additional salts lower the melting point and improve the electrical conductivity of the bath, making the process more efficient. The core of magnesium production is electrolysis, which takes place in a specialized electrolytic cell. This cell operates at very high temperatures, often around 700 degrees Celsius. An electric current is passed through the molten magnesium chloride, causing it to decompose. Magnesium ions gain electrons at the cathode, forming pure molten magnesium metal, while chloride ions lose electrons at the anode, producing chlorine gas. Safety is paramount when working with molten salts and reactive metals. High temperatures and the production of corrosive chlorine gas demand strict safety protocols and excellent ventilation. Once produced, magnesium metal finds extensive use. It is a key component in lightweight alloys for aircraft and cars, in pyrotechnics for bright flares, and as a powerful reducing agent in chemical synthesis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.